Hey creators, tired of your videos blending into the YouTube sea? Today, we're not just talking, we're doing. Grab your mouse, because by the end of this video, you'll have a killer thumbnail ready to deploy. It's time to turn theory into action and make your content unmissable. The importance of YouTube thumbnails cannot be overstated. They are a crucial element in the success of your videos. Here are several reasons why thumbnails are so important. First impressions. Thumbnails create the initial impression for viewers. Click-through rate, CTR. A compelling thumbnail increases the likelihood of clicks, impacting video performance. Repetition in feed. Stands out in a competitive environment, making viewers choose your video. Visual preview communicates video content visually, helping viewers understand what to expect. Brand recognition. Consistent and distinctive thumbnails contribute to brand identity. Viewer engagement encourages engagement by setting the tone and creating anticipation. Mobile user experience must be visually appealing and readable on smaller screens. EO impact influences YouTube's algorithm, potentially boosting visibility in search results. Viral potential. Exceptional thumbnails contribute to a video's potential for virality and sharing. Design of a thumbnail. Think of your thumbnails like a signature look for your channel. When they're consistent, it's like having a cool uniform that everyone recognizes. Imagine YouTube is a big library, and your thumbnails are the book covers. If your covers have the same style, people can quickly spot your stories and decide to read. Having a signature look isn't just about being cool, it's like having your own special language with your viewers. They see your style and know it's your awesome content. And here's the bonus. It makes things easier for you too. Once you've nailed down your look, making thumbnails becomes a breeze. So, find a style that feels right for you, stick with it, and let your thumbnails be the superheroes of your YouTube journey. Color combination. Let's talk about the magic of colors in your thumbnails. It's like choosing the perfect outfit for your video. Imagine your thumbnail is the runway, and colors are the showstoppers. Contrast is your best friend here. Think light versus dark or bold versus muted. It's what makes elements pop and shout, "Look at me!" When you're picking colors, consider the mood of your video. Is it energetic and lively? Go for vibrant, high-energy colors. If it's more chill, maybe opt for softer, calming tones. Now, dive into color palettes. Websites like Coolers or Adobe Color Wheel can be your playground. These tools help you find colors that not only contrast well, but also vibe together. Pro tip: stick to 3 main colors to keep things visually clean. Text size, font, and color. Text size in a thumbnail is like the volume control for your message. You want it just right to grab attention without being too loud. It's like directing your viewer's eyes to the main event of your thumbnail. For example, in this thumbnail, the attention is going to the wrong word. On the flip side, in this thumbnail, the text is the right size, and the focus is on the right word. The text in a thumbnail matters too. Check out this thumbnail. It has a picture of a bodybuilder, but the text doesn't give the right message. Changing the font of this thumbnail can make it look more attractive automatically. Choose a font that is easily readable for your thumbnail. Many people opt for serif text, but you have various choices. Just ensure it's easy to read. Pay attention to color contrast as well. If you have light-colored text on a light background, it can spoil the entire message. Today, we opted to share the narrative behind creating an attractive, engaging, and attention-grabbing thumbnail rather than providing a step-by-step tutorial. If you found today's information valuable, we'd appreciate it if you considered subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video with your fellow YouTubers. See you in the next one!